Hey guys, today we're going to solve equations by making them balanced. So the equation that I have today is x plus 2 equals 9. And then I have this balancing scale underneath. Notice the triangle is in the middle. This is like my equal sign. Whatever is on the left side of the equation has to equal the right side of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and do this using some counting manipulative shapes. So over here, I am going to place 9 yellow hexagons, okay? And on the left side, I am going to place 2 shapes on the left. So I have to figure out how many shapes do I need to make 9. All right, so you can do this a couple of different ways. You can take additional shapes that you have and you can count up until you get to 9, if that helps you. Okay, you also can lay these out so that you can visually see how many actual shapes that you have. Well, you know that 2 of them match, okay? So how many more shapes am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to take me 7 more red pieces to have the same amount. So now I have 9 and 9. Okay, therefore, in this particular equation, x equals 7. So if I were to make that x a 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, which is equal to 9. Both the left and right of your equations have to be the same. On this next equation, I have 10 on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side, I have x minus 3. So I have to figure out what x is. I have to figure out a number that I can take 3 away from and still come up with 10. So I have 10 manipulatives up here to the left. So I need to figure out what is a number that I can use to take 3 away. The easiest way to do this is I visually see if I add 3 blocks to this left side, I know that I have a total of 13. So if I have 13 total shapes and I take those 3 away, I'm left with 10 again. Therefore, if you have 10 on this side, you are going to have 13 total minus 3 will also get you 10. So x is going to equal 13. 13 minus 3 would be 10 equal to 10. What you will notice is we are using the opposite operation to solve. So in this particular problem, we have 3x equals 9. What you must remember is that whenever you have a coefficient and a variable, such as the 3x, that means to multiply, okay? So if I were to take these 9 shapes, okay, because I have a total of 9, and I were to divide it into groups of 3, how many do I have in each group of 3? I have 3 shapes in each group of 3. Therefore, 3 times 3 gives me 9, which is indeed what I have on the right-hand side. You can use any kind of manipulatives. You can tear paper into small pieces in order to visually try and solve for your variable. That completes our lesson.